Read a little more so I can educate my kids. Eat from my soul and cleanse my spirit. Pray cause I'm ready for the bloom of the city. Since serenity is all.
Welcome back to my channel. It's Nichelle Sade back here with another video for you guys. Today I'm going to be doing a thrift haul. So today is August 19th, which is Monday, which is when this video is going to go out. I'm going to try to film it and edit it and upload it all in one day. Hopefully it gets done. National Thrift Day was on the Saturday the 17th. Saturday the 17th was National Thrift Day. You guys know I love thrifting, so I had to go. I did go last year and I did do a video last year, so I had to do it again this year. My thrift store, which is Savers, which is like Value Village. Some of you guys have Value Village, some of you guys have Savers. Savers was close to me, and so they had 99-cent t-shirts. So that gave me an excuse to shop, to go thrifting, and I got my life. If you guys are new to my channel, like I said, I'm Nichelle Sade. On my channel, you'll find all things fashion, inspiration, and lifestyle, little dibble and dabble, you know. So if you like all that stuff and you want to come along this journey with the rest of us, click that red subscribe button and also turn on your notifications bell so you can alert on the next time I upload a video. Before we get into this video, like I said, I love thrifting. I get my life when I thrift. I have several other thrift videos. If you guys want to check them out, I'll link them all down below. I have thrift hauls. I have like go thrifting with me, thrift tips, and just a lot of thrift videos. So if you're interested in that, make sure you check the description box down below to check out those videos. This video right here was not in the schedule, y'all. It was not in the schedule, but I had to show you guys what I got. So this week I am going to be uploading 2 different videos. They both are hauls. This one, of course, is the thrift haul, and then later on in the week, maybe Wednesday or Thursday, I'll post another haul. Make sure you guys tune in both videos this week. Don't neglect the other one, and make sure you check out my previous videos too. I've been uploading every week, so make sure you're up to date. Before we get started, another thing, if you are not following me on Instagram, you need to be doing that at Nichelle Sade on Instagram. Okay guys, I'm talking too much. I want to show you guys what I got from the thrift store. Like I said, National Thrift Day was August the 17th. I hope you guys went out to your local thrift store, Goodwill, wherever, and got some goods. I gave myself a $30 budget. And I did stay under that budget, guys. I stayed under. Aren't you proud of me? Okay guys, let me get my bag. Here you go. Okay guys, so I have my receipt here. I'm gonna put it right here, just so I can refer. Well, I don't even need to refer back to it, honestly, because I still have the tags on all the things that I got. But just to show you guys, I gave myself a $30 budget, like I said, and I spent $28.44. I saved $11.69. See, that's the thing, you gotta know how to save. So here's the receipt. And you guys see I didn't go over my budget. Since it was National Thrift Day, Savers did do 99-cent t-shirts. Like last year, everybody's gonna go crazy. So when I went, it was a little later and I didn't get that many t-shirts. I did pick up 2. I think last year I picked up 2 as well. I'm gonna link my last year's National Thrift Day haul up here right now. So go check that out. Okay, so the first t-shirt that I got is this blue shirt with orange. This has a basketball on it. It's just this shirt right here, and I just love the orange and blue colorway, and it's just a men's t-shirt. This was 99-cent, like I said, and this is in a size large. The back is blank. Next tee that I picked up is this Santorini, I think that's how you say it, Santorini Greece tee, and like I just said, I love the color on this. Is navy blue, and I just like the cursive writing. I think this is super cute to dress down or dress up. You can just throw this on with some sweats. You can throw this on with some jeans, some heels, sneakers, a blazer over top. It's endless options. Biker shorts. Just in love with it. And like again, the back is blank. And this shirt was originally $5.49, but like I said, 99 cents for National Thrift Day. So I just really like this shirt for some reason. It just stuck out to me. And this size is a XXL. I go to the thrift store, I always have an idea of what I want to pick up in a sense. So I knew I wanted to get a blazer, and I actually went blazer crazy, guys. Yeah. So the first blazer, I've been wanting a black blazer. It's like something just super classy, and so I found this one right here. I'm gonna get it on the camera for you guys, don't worry. Okay, so here it is. And it just goes all the way down like these. And what I loved about this was the white detailing right here, and then also it has it on the sleeves, the cuffs. Super 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 cute. I love it. It's a good length. It goes like right, I'll say right under the hip or right on the hip. That's where it stops at, and I think that's a great length for a blazer. This blazer was $9.49, so basically $10. And then the brand is Maggie Sweet. Never heard of it. So this blazer is a size medium. So the next blazer I fell in love with. Something about it, I don't know, it stood out to me. It just looked super, just, I don't even know what word to describe it. This blazer just stuck out to me. This is the blazer. I hope it shows up on camera the right way. Here we go. So it's this striped cream tan blazer. I'm gonna get up close for you guys so you can see the details. The buttons are super cute. Then there's some more buttons right on here on the sleeve. Here is the back of the blazer. And I just love this. Like, look at the white outline and then the buttons. It just looks really really nice. Blazer is in a size medium, and it was $9.49 as well. This is a medium, but the actual blazer says a size 10. And this is by Larry Levine. Larry. It has a pocket right here too. So super cute. I already can imagine myself wearing this with some light colored jeans, some nice white sneakers, a nice graphic tee underneath. Like, the vision is there. The vision is there. It's coming fall 2019. Hey guys, so that's all the clothing I got from the thrift store. If you watch my previous thrift hauls or thrift videos, you know what time it is right now. My favorite time of thrifting. I cannot go to the thrift store without going in the purse section. I can't. I tried to before, and I just can't. I just can't. The first purse that I picked up was this pinky purse. It looks cute, right guys? And then you turn it around and it has this on it. What is this? I'm taking this off. What is this? I'm taking this off. I just fell in love with this design, and I fell in love with the chain handle as well. Super cute. Yes. And this purse, I brought it to the register because it didn't have a tag on it, and this is the inside. I bought it to the register because it didn't have a tag on it, so I wanted to see how much it was, because I was like, all right, if it's cheap enough, I'll just get it, who cares. So she ended up giving it to me for $3.99, and I know this purse would not have been priced at $3.99. Like, I just know it wouldn't have. The next purse that I picked up, and I'm in love with it, I just thought it was super unique. It's this purse right here. Like, I'm about to show you guys how unique this purse is. Let me get into the details first. This is the handle. It's not showing up on camera. It's like goldish, a light gold. And then look at this detailing, guys, right here. Super cute. And so the purse opens like this. So it's like this, but when you close it, it goes really smaller. Super cute. Clasp right here. This is so cute. And then you just hold it like this. Real classy, real clean, real simple, but cute. This reminds me of like Morocco, the print, some like, it's just super cute. And this purse was $3.99. This is, let me show you guys the inside. I'm trying to see if there's a tag on the inside, but there's not. This is the inside. The inside is really cute too. The detailing on this is just really nice. Love it. I can just see myself on vacation with this little bag and a cute dress and just cute. I love it. And like some gold jewelry, like the necklace, the bracelets, just to play off of this. And it's not in the best condition. Like, it is missing some pieces right here. It is missing like a full layer of golds right there. But I think that's what makes like thrift items. It's not in the perfect condition, but it's in a unique condition. So the last purse that I got on National Thrift Day is this cute gold and white purse. Like, I have to get up close for you guys. This is a find, okay? Look at that detailing. Look at this. Super cute. This is the handle. It's like beaded. And then this whole bag is beaded. So cute. This purse was only $3.99, guys. And the inside, it says made in France by hand. Tell me that's not unique. Like, look at that. Super, super unique. It's just really nice. This detailing right here is super nice for $3.99 from France. Yo. Into this detailing, it's like flower detailing all throughout it. And the gold trimming, super cute. I can't make up the price. It's $3.99, guys. So cute. I love it. That's all I got on National Thrift Day. And guys, I stayed under my $30 budget. I spent $28.44 and I saved $11.69. Okay guys, I have a little secret. So I keep saying what I got on National Thrift Day because I went back. I went back yesterday on Sunday, the day after, because I seen this blazer. Let me tell you, I seen this blazer, absolutely loved. And I had the 3 blazers in my hands and I was just checking like the price and like trying to stay under a good amount, like $30 like I said. So I'm like, oh, please just help me choose. So the lady at the register helped me choose which blazer. But you know how you leave something at the store and it stays in your mind? It stayed in my mind all day to the next day, and I just kept thinking about this blazer. So if I go to the thrift store and this blazer's here, then it was meant to be. And I had a 20% coupon, so I did save money, guys. I knew I was gonna save something. It did go over the $30 budget, but I gave myself a $30 budget for National Thrift Day, so it just don't count. Where is it? Let's see. I was a bad girl, but I spent the next day. I only spent $10.53, and I saved $2.60. So technically, I didn't stay in my budget. I went a little over, not too much. This is the blazer that I went back for. Super cute. It kind of reminds me of like a flight attendant outfit and blazer dress type thing, and I just love it. Look at this. Super cute. The shoulder pads are too extravagant for me. I'll probably take them out. And then this insert right here, I'm cutting that out because I just don't understand why it's there. These buttons, super cute. If it focuses for me. Focus, baby. All right. Is it gonna focus? There we go, there we go, there we go. It was between this and the black and white blazer at the register. How could you choose? How? Sway? I gotta take this insert out. It's making me mad. Y'all get the message though. And it's just a navy blue color. This dress blazer is a size large and it is $9.99. Super cute. It's by Miss Dorby. Yeah. This is how I know the blazer was meant for me, because it was there the next day still. Nobody picked it up, nobody nothing. It was meant for me to have it in my closet. For me. It was given. And as you guys know, I have a problem. I did have to go to the purse section. I just couldn't resist. I was like, what if they put something new there? You never know, you never know. I went to the purse section and then I left. I kept walking around. And then I went back to the purse section. I go to the purse section like 3 times while I'm at the thrift store. It's the purse that I got. I tell y'all, I be finding unique pieces. Like, look at this purse. I don't know what it is about it. It's the detailing, because the detailing is just nice. I don't know, it's super different. I see this as like a vacation clutch purse thing. And here's the detailing on the handle, the strap, whatever you want to call it. Cute. And it just opens like this. This is the inside. Yes, this purse was only $2.99, so I had to get it. I love it. It just has these flowers. It's like low-key super childish, but super cute at the same time. It's just vibrant. It's a vacation bag, I think. I would use it as a vacation bag, or if I'm getting dressed up really, really cute. That's all the items that I picked up on National Thrift Day and the next day. Like I said at the beginning of this video, I just talked mad fast just now. I be thinking y'all don't understand what I'm saying because I just be talking so fast. I'm gonna slow it down. So, like I said at the beginning of this video, if you have not yet, when I don't talk fast, I trip over my words, so I kind of have to. Like I said at the beginning of this video, if you have not yet checked out my other thrift videos, be sure to check the description box down below. If you are not yet subscribed and you like this video or you liked my previous videos and you're just still not subscribed, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and also turn on the notifications bell so you get an alert on the next time I upload. Again, like I said, I will be uploading twice this week. This video is going out today, which is Monday the 19th of August, and then I'll have another video either Wednesday or Thursday. Be sure to show both of those videos love. I did this video for you guys. This is not in the schedule, but you wanted it, so I gave it to you. So make sure you check out the next video this week and don't neglect me. So we are at 130 subscribers. That may seem small to most people, but to me it is a big deal. I don't care if I get one extra subscriber, like I'm like, I go crazy. It really does mean a lot to me. So like I said, I am at 130 subscribers. And I think it's my next video or the video after that, it will be a giveaway. Sure, you stay tuned for the next, it might be the next video or the next video, I'm not sure, but it's like, y'all gonna see. It's a giveaway coming up, so stay tuned. Make sure you stay on the videos. There's a giveaway coming up just to show my appreciation. That's all I have for you guys. I need to get my life together for the day. I need to eat. I need to do my hair. I'm taking some pictures today. I look bummy. I just threw in this tea. But my plan is to take some pictures today for Instagram and, you know, just get my life together, get some content out to you guys. My goal for today is like 11:30 right now. No, 12:30. It's 12:30 right now. So I gotta film this video, and my plan is to edit it right now and get it uploaded by no later than 5 o'clock today. So hopefully it gets to you guys today on Monday. It will. It will. I'm speaking it into existence. I hope you enjoyed my thrift haul for today. Comment down below if you shopped at your thrift store on National Thrift Day. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to share this video as well on your social media to show some love. Before I exit out this video, I do want to share some inspiration with you guys. Like I said, this channel is fashion, inspiration, and lifestyle, so I want to incorporate that. I do have multiple inspiration apps on my phone, and this one I just read, it spoke out to me, so I'm going to share it with you guys. It says, the difference between a successful person and others is not a lack of strength, not a lack of knowledge, but rather in a lack of will. That's by Vincent T. Lombardi. And I think that just speaks, you know, like you have to want to do it, you know? It doesn't matter anything else. You have to be passionate about it. You have to want to do it. So that's the inspiration for today. Take that and run with it. I think I'm gonna start doing this each video at the end of it, sharing you guys what my apps like inspire me. Like, I'm just gonna start sharing these at the end of my video. I never thought of it until just now. But anyways, I just opened up another app and it says, and this just spoke to me again. This one says, the real risk is doing nothing. I'm not even gonna explain that. I'm gonna let you take it and do whatever you want with it. Again, the real risk is doing nothing. That's by Dennis Waitley. I should do a video on my apps that I use for inspiration and motivation. Comment down below if you want me to put this at the end of my videos now. And also comment if you want me to do like a separate video of all my apps that I use for motivation, inspiration, meditation. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and make sure you are subscribed. I can't wait to see you in my next video so we can learn, love, and grow together. Mwah.